Hello everyone, my name is Twinkle Fang. I'm 7 years old. Today I read the story Bird and Kip for Kip, the race car driver. Let's start. I want to drive a car, said Kip. I don't want to drive a car, said Bird. Cars are too fast. Vroom, vroom, said Kip. Kip zoomed along the branch. I'm a race car driver, he said. Kip zoomed up and down the tree trunk. I'm a fast race car driver, he said. I'm going to win the big race. Bird was watching Kip. Be careful, Kip, she said. Vroom, 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 said Kip.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
You're running very fast, said Bird. You mean I'm driving very fast, said Kip. And you're not being very careful, said Bird. Nobody is faster than me, said Kip. Just then, Kip's trips he went flying to the air. Oh no, cried Kip. Oh no, cried Bird. Crash! It smashed right into Bird's nest.